We can add hotel services in here, like housekeeper service, borrowing service, laundry service, wake-up service, query service, check-out. Click Housekeeper service. If you need housekeeper service, submit. Click Borrow service if you need. The administrator makes a borrowing list for clients to choose from. Laundry service. Click Wake Up service. Set the time. Query service. The clients can see the consumption history in here. Clients click Checkout to inform the hotel. Manage hotel services via the web. Edit services name. Upload services photos. Select the type of service you want to add.